Good afternoon to all of you. I'm just checking whether I'm online or not. Yeah. Okay, so let's start. So as you know that the sessions happening in this month by me on YouTube is revision of previous year CAT QA questions, and of course on 2 days I take current affairs with respect to current general awareness and business awareness. Fine. So that is how it is. So today's session will be revision of CAT QA questions, previous year question. All right. So let's start. Acha. Before I start, I'll urge all of you to like, share, and subscribe this channel, and you click on the bell icon so that you can get information of my further sessions. These are few details of. Just hold on. Okay, so these are few sessions with respect to the batch started. 16th October is one, 20th October, and this is one batch. You can see my photograph, right? So I'm taking here LRDI, right? So CAT LRDI questions are being discussed. 6:15 p.m. is the time. This is a plus course, all right? And other batches are one is on 23rd and this 27th for 2022 and 27th for 2022. All right. So these are different batches, new batches which are coming up. And if you want to prepare for CAT and OMAT 2021, right? So if you're targeting 2021, you can go for this course. These are the features. And you can use my code for this. My code is PRA Y10. I'll show the code in during my session also. Right, so this is the code. This is the description of iconic subscription. Iconic means one-to-one doubt solving, one-to-one concept discussion, one-to-one mentorship. Right, so those things are there. These are special features of this. Now some offer is there, so you can just have a look on this. It is valid till 31st of October. All right. Okay. Now these are with respect to CAT 2021 mock test and new pattern. And there's a very interesting and important feature is there in Unacademy app. This is Ask a Doubt. Now this Ask a Doubt at Unacademy app is very important. Anytime you can ask doubt, you can send the doubt and then answer will be given almost immediately. All right. Okay. So here you go. Let's start. Now, before I get into the questions, there are some basic rules. It's the basic rule is framed by me only. What I feel I have written that way, right? So there's no hard and fast that this is the only thing, right? This is my rule only. So read the questions minutely. Minutely means each and every word is to be read properly, fine, and to be understood properly and to be considered in the question. That's the first thing. Second thing is go for mental mapping. Mental mapping means uh, from which topic or which subtopic, how do I solve? Do I pick option or do I write equation? Is it a lengthy question or is it a shortcut question? Can be done shortcut. Is it my comfort zone or it's not my comfort zone? All those mental mapping has to happen when you read the question. And then the last important thing for us is read the options also. So don't stop reading the question till the question mark or end of the description. Read the options also. Options give a lot of important insight. If the options are very close, then you have to calculate exactly. If options are far away, there is a leverage. Depending on value of option, you can very well understand that what can be the possible answer, where can be the possible answers. Say, for example, if the options are like, say, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you know that options are close enough. And also you know that there is a chance that if you do a mistake of one plus one or minus one, you may land up to another option, right? So you need to be very, very careful. Okay. So here you go. So this is our first question. How many pairs of positive integers m and n, positive integers, please remember positive integers m and n, satisfy 1 by m plus 4 by n equal to 1 by 12, where n is an odd integer. N is an odd integer less than 60. So you can write the answer in the chat box. Solve and write the answer in the chat box. All right. So you can write the answer in the chat box. All right. So what you can do is what are the things given? Please remember, m and n are positive integers, and it is given that how many pairs of positive integers. That means how many solutions of m and n exist, where the relationship is 1 by m plus 1 4 by n equal to 1 by 12, where n is an odd integer less than 60. So the value of n is given. I need to find out that how many possible values of n satisfies the condition. What are the conditions? M and n should be positive integers and n should be less than 60. So what do I do? I'll just simplify this. So let's simplify this. I'll have 1 by m plus 4 by n equal to 1 by 12. All right. So what you can do is n is given, so I'll keep n this side, right side. So 1 by m equal to 1 by 12 minus 4 by n. Now simplify this. 1 by m will be 12 into n, and this will be n minus 48. So 1 by m will be this. All right. And what is the value of m then? M comes out to be 12 into n divided by n minus 48 because it's a reciprocal one, right? Now you can see you can see the relationship over here that m and n should be positive integers, right? So integer hona chahiye, that's the first thing, and then n is odd integer and less than 60. So n is less than 60, but n cannot be equal to 48 or less. So n cannot be 48 or less. Why? Because if n is 48, so denominator will be 0. If denominator is 0 means what? It will be undefined. And if n is less than 48, then it will be negative, right? So in that case, if it is negative, then the whole value will be negative. So m will be negative. M has to be positive integer. That's what is given over there. That means I can understand that from here, I can understand that n is odd and n is greater than equal to 49 and less than equal to 60. Fine. 48 is not possible, so that is why I have taken 49, or greater than 48 also can be done. Okay. Now what do I do is quite simple now. I just need to find out that 12 into n should be exactly divisible by n minus 48. So how many possible cases? If you look the options, I told you options play a very important role. How many options are there? 6, 5, 4, 3. That means the number of cases will be less. Number of solutions will be less. We can calculate manually. So let's calculate. So what do? I'll put n equal to, what are the values of n I can put? N is odd, so I can put n equal to 49, n equal to 51, n equal to 53, n equal to 55, n equal to 57, and n equal to 59. These many cases? Yes or no? I hope you are following me. 49 odd number. 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, and 59. Now put n equal to 49. Then what will happen? Look here. What is your calculation? N equal to 49. See, n equal to 49. So if I take n equal to 49, this comes out to be 12 into 49 divided by 49 minus 48. So this is a positive integer. So I've got a solution over here. Is that clear? Achha, now come to this. N equal to 51. So 12 into 51 divided by 51 minus 48. 51 minus 48 is how much? 2. 51 minus 48 is 2. Sorry, 3. So 51 minus 48 comes out to be 3. So 3, it is exactly divisible. It's exactly divisible. Right. So I can get integer m equal to integer. Fine. So see, I need not to get the value, right? Because I have already taken n. N has to be between 60 from 60 to 49. That means then only it will be positive. So I just need to check whether it is exactly divisible or not. Integer are right? That I need to check only. So this is the integer. So I have got a solution. Now if you go for 53, what will happen? 12 into 53 divided by 53 minus 48. 53 minus 48 is how much? 5, right? So 12 is not divisible by 5 and 53 is not divisible by 5. So this will not be fine. So two values are already there. And now if I go for next one, 55. So 12 into n is 55 divided by 55 minus 48. So it will be 7. 12 is not divisible by 7. 55 is not divisible by 7. So it will not give you integer. So this is also ruled out. Then you come to this. 12 into n. N is 57 divided by 57 minus 48. So 57 minus 48 is 9. Okay. So if it is 9, is it exactly divisible? Yes. If I divide, I'll get 3 over here, and this comes out to be 4. If I divide 3, it will be 19. So this gives you integer. Denominator is not there, so it is integer. Denominator is 0. Right. So I have got 3 cases over here. And then last value, 49. So let's check 49. Sorry, 59. So 12 into 59 divided by 59 minus 48. 59 minus 48 is how much? It will be 11. So 12 is not divisible by 11. 59 is not divisible by 11. So it will not be integer. So this is gone. So how many values? 1 value, 2 values, and 3 values. Right. So your answer will be 3. I hope it's clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the chat box. Is this clear? All right. So here you go. This is my answer. Answer is 3. All right. Now let's go to the next question. Consider 4-digit numbers for which the first 2 digits are equal and the last 2 digits are equal. How many such numbers are perfect squares? So that means it is talking about it should be a 4-digit number. The number should be perfect square and the first 2 digits are equal and the last 2 digits are equal. So there are 4 conditions. The number is a 4-digit number, right? Then next condition is a perfect square. Then next condition is the first 2 digits are same and the last 2 digits are same. So how many such numbers exist? You can write the answer in the chat box. Is there anyone who will be solving and answering? All right. So, see, there are many ways to solve the question, but I'll just tell you a very interesting feature of a perfect square number, and accordingly we'll do, right? So, 2, 3 features I'll be talking about. So, all features will be good, and one feature will be, I believe, very interesting. So, have a look on this. This should be a 4-digit number, and it should be a perfect square. So, if it is a 4-digit number and perfect square, can you tell me what is the number whose square will be giving you at least a 4-digit number? So that means what is the square root of the number? That means the square root of the number is from which value to which value. If you look at this question, the question looks like it is open-ended question, but I have to make it close. How do I make it close? First, I'll go for it's a 4-digit number and it's a perfect square. So how many 4-digit perfect squares are there? So what is the minimum value of square root of a 4-digit perfect square? Or what is the value whose square will be just a 4-digit perfect square? So this will be 32 square. Okay. So squares and all this you have to remember. At least till 32 you have to remember. 32 square is 1024. Yeah, fine. And what is the last number whose square will be a 4-digit perfect square? The last number will be 99 square. 99 square is 99 square is 9801. Okay. All right. Fine. So what is happening is the square root of this number is from 32 to 99. All right. Now, what is the type of question? The number will be something like this. It should look like this. A 4-digit number should look like A, B, B. Okay. So it is talking about the first 2 digits are same and the last 2 digits are same. Fine. Now, if you look carefully, the question is talking about how many such numbers are there, and options are pretty good. 0, 1, 2, 3. That means there will be not many numbers. Okay. Now, can we say that if I take b equal to 0, so is it possible that 40 square, the last 2 digits will be 0, 0 definitely? So in this range, can we find out that how many numbers are there whose unit digit is 0? I'll go for a squaring of that, and then definitely the last 2 digits will be 0, 0. Okay. And then we need to check the other values are there or not. Okay. So that will be the first agenda. So let's check it out. I hope it's clear. What exactly I wanted to tell you is that the last 2 digits will be 0, 0 if I put. It is as good as if you go for in this range, I have got a number of 40, 40 square. 40 square will be giving you 1600. These two are same, but these two are not same. But this is not applicable. Similarly, if you go for 50 square, 50 square is giving you 2500. These two are okay, but these two are not. So it's also, this is how I need to go till 90, because I know that 32 square to 99 square, in this range I need to find out the values. Okay. I just then similarly do 60 square is how much? 60 square is 3600. No. 70 square 4900. No. 80 square is 6400. These two are not same. No. And 90 square is 8100. This also no. Okay. So that means a number ending with 0, if you go for a square, there will be no such number which is satisfying this condition. So these conditions are not being satisfied. So forget that. Now there is another interesting feature. See, one thing I'll just tell you, the question can be solved in different ways. Okay. I'm just giving you a very interesting characteristic features and then accordingly solving it. I'll just tell you the orthodox way to solve. Okay, of course. All right. So what you need to do is, so this is gone. Now there's another interesting feature which comes in is regarding last 2 digits of a perfect square. Last 2 digits of a perfect square. See, the way I'm solving is with respect to the characteristics of a perfect square. And there is an orthodox way also to solve. I'll just show you that after this. So these features, if you can remember and if you know that, then it will be a cakewalk, right? So these are done. Now, last 2 digits of a perfect square is what? Last 2 digits of a perfect square repeats, right, with respect to the last 2 digits of perfect square from 0 square to 25 square. What I wanted to mean is 0 square, last 2 digits will be 0, 0. 1 square, the last 2 digits is 0, 1. And if you go this way, 24 square, the last 2 digits is, this is 76, last 2 digits. and 25 square. The last two digits will be 25. Okay? So what is happening? The last two digits of a perfect square will be just repeating these last two digits. 0 square to 1 square, 2 square, whatever with the last two digits, it will be just repeating. Okay? So I need to just find out that last two digits 0, 0. From here, which number will give you last two digits 0, 0? 1 square 0, 1, 2 square is 2 square comes out to be 4, 0, 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square 16, 16 is last two digits is not same, right? Okay. So since it is getting repeated, so I need to find out if I do this way, I'll be finding that 12 square will be giving you the last two digits same. So 12 square will be giving you 144. So 44 will be the last two digits. That means I need to have a deviation of 12, right? If you know how to calculate the uh, mm, uh, square till 130, I have already taken a session in Unacademy app. What you can do is you can download the app and then you can carry on with the things, right? Carry on in the sense what you can get is I have already taken I think two classes of calculation techniques. There I have discussed all this. These features I have already discussed. So if you want, you can watch that. And if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. In that case, if you subscribe, then I have taken 6 sessions, total 6 sessions, and all these 6 sessions talks about calculation techniques. So apart from this, squares, how to calculate mentally, I have discussed many other calculation techniques and percentage calculations also. Okay. So anyway, so what you need to know is 12 square last two digits 44. So in that case, there will be a deviation of 12. Deviation of 12. Now, deviation of 12 from where? It will be deviation of 12 from, see, if you go for 50 minus 12, 38 square, the last two digits will be 44. This 44 will come. 50 plus 12, 62 square. The last two digits will be 44. And this has to be in this range from 32 to 99. And 100 minus, sorry, 100 minus, yeah, 100 minus 12, 88 square, right? These are the three numbers I need to find because there will be no such number whose square will be giving you last two digits same like this, because your question says last two digits has to be same. So 38 square, if you solve, it will be giving you 1444. No, you should know the technique of this. So technique I'm not telling over here. Technique, what you can do is you can go to Unacademy app and follow me in the app, and you will be able to get those special classes, free classes, or if you are subscribing, so you can subscribe and you can get the 6 sessions total, right? This gives you yeah, 3844. So 3844 is also no, and this gives you, yeah, 7744. So this will give you means I have got only one value which will be satisfying this condition. So my answer will be option A. Okay. So this question, this process, whatever I have showed you, this is with respect to the characteristics of a perfect square and the last two digits of a perfect square. Right. Now, if you don't want to do this, so it's quite simple. What you do is you just do this way. The number is in the form of A, B, B. Right. So what is the value of this number? What are the place values? 1000, 100, 10 and 1. Right. So this comes out to be 1000 A plus 100 A plus 10 B plus B. And this should be equal to a perfect square. So n square. So if you come this side, it will be 1000 100, 1100A plus 11B equal to n square. And I can find out if I take 11 common. If I take 11 common, so it comes out to be 100A plus B equal to n square. Okay, so that means from here one thing is pretty sure that n should have 11, because 11 into something is n square, so n should have 11. So that means the number should be multiple of 11. But that is not helping you. You actually need to solve this. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to go for 11 into 100A plus B, and I need to check one by one. 100A plus B, I put some value of A and some value of B, and then I keep on checking whether it is a perfect square or not, right? And at the most, what you can do is say something like this. I'll just help you a little bit. If it is say for example, 3 into 100 plus 7. So this gives you 307. So the number looks like this. Okay. So 100A plus B will be looking like this only. So it should be 11 into a number A0B. This should be a perfect square. Okay. So I just need to check A0B should be multiple of 11, because 11 is a prime number. It's already there. So I just need to check there. So that means I have to go for many cases over here. Okay. It's not that it's a cakewalk. Immediately it will happen. Okay. It will take time. And this is the solution I have already showed you. This is with respect to characteristics of a perfect square, and the calculations are given. All right. Okay. So if you want to go for a subscription, what you can do is you can use my code. My code is PRAY10. You can use this code in Unacademy app, and you can get an extra 10% discount if you are subscribing. All right. So here you go. My answer is 1. Only 1. That is nothing but 88 square. 88 square is 7744. Okay. All right. Now let's go to the next question. So you can write the answer in the chat box. The price of Darjeeling tea in rupees per kilogram is 100 plus 0.1 into n. On the nth day of 2007, 2007 is the year where n is from 1 to 100 and then remains constant. So if n is 100 and after that it remains constant, the price. On the other hand, the price of UTT in rupees per kilogram is 89 plus 0.15 into n on the nth day of year 2007, where n is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 365. So it will increase because n is increasing, so the value will be increasing. On which date in 2007 will the prices of these two variety of tea be equal? That means for what value of n, this value as well as this value are equal. Okay. So you can solve and write the answer in the chat box. Okay, so here we go. So what I need to do is till 100, I just need to check what is the value, and I just need to check till 100, it should not cross this Darjeeling tea value. Okay, because if n is 100 and after that the Darjeeling tea price remains constant. So if I can check it out, now you look at the options carefully, because I told you always that options are playing very important role. Okay, now look, it is May 21 and May 20, April 11 and June 30. So the latest value will be April 11. So April 11 means if you look at January, it's 31, February 2007, so it will be 28, March will be 31, and April, if this is the answer, this will be 11. So how many days in total? This comes out to be 3, 1, 5, 103, something like this. 62, 82, 90. Sorry, this is 1. 8 plus 3, 11, 1. Yeah. 62, 82, 90. Yeah. 101. So the minimum is 101. Okay. So till 100 we have to go by any chance. Fine. And then look carefully. These two options are pretty close. May 21 and May 20. And this is far away. So I believe there is a good chance that either May 20 or May 21 can be the answer. The reason is that if you do a little bit of mistake, you may land up to another option, because two options are pretty close. Okay. Now let's go for at least 100 days to will be there only. Is that clear? So we'll go for 100 days. I'll just erase this part. So let's go for 100 days and check it out what is happening over there. So n equal to 100, Darjeeling tea. So Darjeeling tea. If I take n equal to 100, so what is the price? This comes out to be 100 plus 0.1 into 100. So this gives you 110. Now if you go for UTT, in 100 days, what is the value? N equal to 100. N equal to 100, it comes out to be 89 plus 0.15 into 100, and this gives you 89 plus 15. 89 plus 15 is 104, right? So that means, see, after 110, this will be constant only. This will not be changing. Okay. So this remains constant. That means 89 plus 0.15 into n should be 110, and then I'll check it out. Okay. So till 100, this is 6 rupees less. This is 110 and this is 104. 6 rupees less. So my answer this cannot be my answer. So my answer will be more than that, because 6 rupees is to be made extra. Right. Now, can you do this way? Instead of going for the whole calculation, can you go for another 6 rupees I have to make extra? Because 110 I have to reach. This is 104. 100 days is already done. So 89 is constant. So every day 0.15 rupees is increasing. So increase of 6 day will be giving you what? 110 minus 104. It is giving you 6. And since rupees 6, to increase rupees 6, how many days will be required? Because per day it will be 0.15. So can I say it will be 6 divided by 0.15? Can I do this? So 6 divided by 0.15 will be giving you how much? 40. So can I say my final answer is 100 plus 40. 140, 100 is already there, and then this is 40. So this comes out to be 140. So finally, n equal to 100 plus 40. 140. Okay, fine. So n equal to 140. So definitely April 1 is not the answer. Now I check it out May 21. So May 21 or May 20 can be the answer. I just need to check that till 31st of April, what is the now total number of days? I just calculate that way. This is quite simple now. So January, I have to go for 140, right? January is 31 plus February is 28, 2007. So it will be 28 plus March. March will be 31 plus April. So I know that it will be either May or June. April, because this is gone. April will be, is coming out to be 30. So if you add up, I'll be getting how much? This will be 62, 62 plus 2, 82, 82, 90, 90 plus 3, 120. 120. I need 140. So that means in May, I need to go for plus 20. So 20th May should be my answer. All right. So January, February, March, April is over. May 20 days are required. So 20 days means 20th May should be my answer. All right. Okay. Is it clear to all of us? If you have any question, you can ask that out in the chat box. All right. So here you go. My answer is May 20. Okay. All right. So far, if you have liked my session, so you can like, share, and subscribe, and you just click on the bell icon so that you can get further information of my sessions. Okay. So there are a little bit of details with respect to the batches. This is a batch. You can see my photograph. It started 20th of October. This is for CAT 2021. I'm taking here LRDI. So now at 6:15 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday. This class is on for CAT. Right? Today also we have a class. And then after finishing this, we'll be talking about OMAT LRDI. Right? So that is how it is. This is with respect to my YouTube sessions. Every day at 12:30. Every day means this will be Monday to Friday. Fine. And previous year CAT QA questions. This month I'm doing previous year CAT QA questions on Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And business quiz is there in every Wednesday, and current affairs quiz is there on every Friday, right? So these are also very much required because apart from CAT, all other exams are asking for general awareness. So business quiz as well as current affairs quiz, both are very, very important for your preparation. Okay, so and this is my code PRAY10, P rate 10 is my code. Right, so you can use this code. These are all special classes at Unacademy. Now I am taking at 4:30 p.m. and then 3 p.m. I'm taking as well as 10 p.m. also I'm taking. This is every day and these are not every day. Okay. So there are some details with respect to plus classes. So if you look plus means the people who have already subscribed. So logical reasoning class is on, and then this is for CAT 2021 final leg of preparation, right? So this class is also on, and then this is a very important subtopic of ratio proportion and application of ratio proportion, that is mixture and alligation. So mixture and alligation class is also on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. And then practice of LRDI, this is for CAT 2022 students. CAT 2022 students. Okay. Now, if you have subscribed, then you can join this session. You just follow me in the app and then join the Unacademy app. And if you have not subscribed, you can use this code and take subscription. Using this code will give you a flat 10% discount with extra, means whatever is the value shown on the app, on that you'll be getting another 10% discount. Okay. All right. So what we'll do is we'll so thank you very much for attending the session, and we'll stop now, and we'll meet tomorrow at 12:30, right? So please don't forget to leave comment, right? So you can you just leave comment on the chat box. That can motivate me and that can help me to improve. Okay, so thank you very much and bye bye.